I mean, I'm a child of the Second World War. I was born in 1945, and the memory of the Second World War was very much a part of my history. But I never really, truly confronted the absolute reality of what had happened in those days. And in playing Maria Altmann, I had to put her memories into my mind. And to do that, I had to read a lot of research material and really relive those moments. And that is why, honestly, I'm here now. It was that journey of playing Maria that made the absolute reality of those days so relevant to me today at this moment in time.
And other valuable cultural property that the Nazis had taken from their victims.
It's a terribly sad fact that more than 70 years later, victims of the Holocaust and their families are still contemplating whether to seek restitution for what was stolen from them and lost under the most horrible of circumstances. But a lack of transparency, a lack of access to information concerning the location of stolen art, and a lack of a legal assurance that at least they can have their say in court. This discourages them from taking action.
But that abstract characterization fails to do justice.
Logically, I think we could all agree that the right thing to do in every instance is to return the art to its rightful owners. The very act of Nazi expropriation was not only unjust, but it was unconscionably inhumane. No choice but to carry on with their lives. After what they had experienced, as the senators pointed out, art lost in the Holocaust is not just important for its aesthetic and cultural value. Restitution is so much more than that, than reclaiming a material good, and this is what I learnt by playing Maria Altmann. Restoring physical parts of lost heritage to Holocaust victims and their families is a moral imperative. For me, Maria Altmann, and for many families fighting to reclaim what rightfully belongs to them, art restitution has very little to do with potential financial gains. Art restitution is about preserving the fundamental human condition. It gives Jewish people and other victims of the Nazi terror the opportunity to reclaim their history, their culture, their memories, and most importantly, their families. A new generation has emerged with the resources and time to finally begin to deal. We're incapable of changing the past, but fortunately we have the ability to make change today. Thank you for your leadership and your efforts to address this issue in these modest reforms contained in the HERE Act, by ensuring that at least here in the United States, access to justice and the courts will be ensured. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Please turn your microphone on. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good afternoon.